Alright, we're back in Ron's shop, and what I'm doing here is cleaning my head up before I put my head gaskets on and stuff like that, and reassembling this. I'm cleaning up before I lap the valves. So right now, this is what I got going on here. This is what I use. I use some biodiesel, and I use brushes like this, a plain old simple toothbrush. What I'm doing is going in here and scrubbing all this up, and this is where your bolt holes are right here. And it's really important to get a brush like this and clean the rust out. It's just a nylon brush with some biodiesel on it. I recommend biodiesel because it doesn't eat the plastic up. If you use gas, it'll eat your bristles off and melt them and leave crap in your head. But all these bolt holes, you need to clean the rust out of those. If you remember how hard it was to get this head off, it'll be the same with yours. So once you get this head off, you want to go through all these holes with a brush like this and get all the rust out. And once I'm done getting all the junk cleaned out of here, then I'll spray this down with some parts cleaner. Any parts cleaner, brake cleaner will work fine. Clean it up real good. I've already cleaned my valves up yesterday. They're looking good. Basically, all my carbon's pretty well off them. They're ready to be lapped. So that's the way you want to get everything before you start lapping your valves. And these I just clean up on a fine wire wheel. You don't want to be taking a bunch of metal off these. You just want the carbon off them, so you can make some nice flat seats when you go to lapping these. So, and all I got left here is I'm going to soak all these, give them a washing in, the biodiesel, the springs, the bases for your springs that sit on, your little pedestals for the springs, and of course your keeper and your spring holder. The keepers go in. They'll all get a bath, but I'll do them one at a time so every one goes with each one. They stay together. That's real important. So that's what I'm doing today, and that's how I'm cleaning this head up good. I'm going to clean these where the valves go in with the smaller brush here. Make sure everything's out of these. You do not want any leftover crap in these. You want them cleaned out. And when I'm all done with this brush, like I said, I'll take parts cleaner and spray down in here. You want those nice and clear and clean. So, or you're going to end up wearing these. Any kind of crap you leave inside your valve sleeves here, it will wear them, and you do not want that going on. So it's best to get them absolutely clean. Nothing, and I mean nothing. I don't want one particle left in these, and neither do you if you're doing this too. So with that, that's my progress today and what I'm doing. Have a good day, guys.